I seeing double Scott and Scott headlights and tailpipes right here in Southern Nevada, guys? What's going on here? Because I know this car was built by you and a 6-year-old at one point. Those pictures are coming. Wait for it. Scott, what's going on?
Well, been a car enthusiast family for a long time, and I built this car back in 2007, and it means a lot to me. I had my son at the time was only 6 years old. This was one of his first projects as a small boy, and I couldn't have been happier to see him take my passion and bring it full as a teenager now with his own car.
Not only that, though, this is where it gets really cool. Scott Jr. is at a high school here in Las Vegas. Which high school, and what are you doing there, brother?
I go to Coronado High School. It's one of the only schools in the district that has an auto shop, and it teaches us a lot about automotive engineering at the school.
So you're 17 years old. You found your passion and your hobby, and you're actually learning some technical stuff. You actually think it's going to just keep a hobby, or is this going to be your work too?
I've actually been contemplating making it my field of interest. My dad's in the finance industry, but I do enjoy cars so much. I was literally building them in diapers, so I love it's like my passion,
I love it. This story is really close to my heart because my little brother called me after doing 2 degrees and said one day he was going to become an auto mechanic like our stepdad. And I was like, what are you doing? And I said, when you call Mom, you got to tell her, I'm going to be a Ferrari mechanic for $165 an hour, and she'll buy it. That was how I got it passed. How's he going to get it passed with you?
Well, you know what? I think from experience, the fact that he wants to take that and he's passionate about it, life's short. So if he's doing something that he's loved to do, that'll make me happy.
See, I dig that. It's not only a family affair, it's passionate, but here you've got commerce that meets community. You got family that meets finance, headlights and tailpipes. The stories are all around us. All you got to do is ask. Scott Squared, right here on Headlights and Tailpipes.
Nice.